Hey, I'm Natalie. Today I'm going to be teaching you about the words hopefully, imply and infer, irregardless, and in regards to. Let's start with hopefully. This word sounds simple, right? Hopefully I have time to go to the store later and hopefully I get the job. Well, it's actually not that simple. Both of those example sentences use the word hopefully incorrectly. Hopefully is actually an adverb that means in a hopeful manner. Sentences such as hopefully I get the job are intending to mean I hope that I get the job. But because hopefully is used as a sentence modifier and means in a hopeful manner, the sentence is actually implying that you will get the job in a hopeful manner. Here's an example of hopefully used correctly. The children waited hopefully for the arrival of Santa Claus. Here, in this sentence, the children are waiting in a hopeful manner. Now, let's talk about imply versus infer. Imply means to hint or indicate, and infer means to derive or to conclude. Only the writer can imply, and only the reader can infer. For example, Kayla's boss implied that she would be receiving a raise. Here, in this sentence, Kayla's boss indicated that Kayla would be receiving the raise. Here's an example of infer. I inferred from his record that he was a poor driver. Here, you look at someone's driving record and come to the conclusion that they are not a good driver based on evidence. Next, we have irregardless. Irregardless may be in the dictionary, but it is considered informal and it is the incorrect usage of the word regardless. Let's break it down. You take the word regard and add the suffix less, regardless. The addition of this suffix adds a negative meaning and allows the word to mean without regard to. Therefore, adding the prefix ear onto regardless makes a double negative. We will have the picnic regardless of the weather. Finally, we have in regards to. In regards to is not standard English. The word regards is used when giving a greeting. For example, give my warmest regards. That usage is the only definition of regards. Let's look at an example sentence with the phrase in regard to used correctly. In regard to your letter of complaint, I have composed a memo for the staff. You aren't greeting anyone, so the correct word to use here is regard. In regard to. No S. Thank you all for watching, and I hope this mini lesson has helped you to learn a little bit more about how to use proper diction. Bye everyone!